In this video, I will be teaching you how to do zombie SFX veins. They are really easy and you can put these anywhere on your body. So let's get started, let's grab our makeup, and let's begin. You're going to want to start off and find which portion of your body you want to put this on. I'm putting this onto my arm since it's the easiest to go and see, along with also the easiest to palpate, which what you do is you take your hand, you squeeze it multiple times, and you get your veins really pumped up. So what it's going to do is it's going to bring it to the surface. Now you can do this with other portions of your body as well, but normally just the arm is the best one that you're really going to get this and see it. Follow your veins with an off blue, somewhat light blue color. What you're going to do is you're just going to follow the main veins and then you're going to branch out smaller veins from there. You're going to also continue the veins from there that you can't necessarily see under the skin, but you're just going to feather them out and branch them very small like. Now that you have the larger veins of your wrist covered, what you're going to do is you're going to move on to the lower portion and you're just going to continue to feather it out. I'm actually using a little bit more of a watered down blue color to try to go and blend it out. Now for the upper veins of the hand, you're going to follow these the same exact way, make a fist, and this is going to really make them pop and make it easier for you to go and follow them. After you have all of that covered, you're going to make small lined veins. Now these are going to be red or an off red color. They're not necessarily veins, but they're more so just small busted capillaries we'll go with. And that would be what you would think a zombie would have, stress from being, well, undead, of course. But you're going to go and cover your entire arm with these. Branch them from any of the dark blue to light blue veins that you put down, and just really put these honestly anywhere. They're gonna look great, and think of them like as roots of a tree. You want them to branch off with the blue part, and just kind of go everywhere and spread everywhere. The more you put, the better it's going to look. Now it's usually easier to go pretty much central, and then branch out further. It's a lot easier to do this because then you're able to just go and make the largest ones in the middle and then make smaller, little tiny marks towards the end. Now again, you're going to need a very fine-tipped brush for this. I'm actually just using a really fine-tipped paintbrush. You can buy these, of course, in a pack, and it's a lot less expensive than certain makeup brushes or anything like that. So you can just buy paintbrushes that are very thin and go from there. Continue to stack these veins, and just go wild and have fun with it. After all of your makeup is dried, it's gonna look a little something like this, and again, you can put this anywhere on your body that you want to. You can go and put this on your face, or you can go and put this around a bite mark. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, have a great one, and bye!